how to use points in Trust Wallet. Now, apparently, it has now been changed. Instead of points, you're somewhat earning XP now. So you can look at your Trust Premium, you can see all the benefits for your XP. But what's going to happen to your points now that it has changed to basically the XP feature? So Trust Wallet does have information over here. So according to Trust Wallet or their team, previous Trust Quest points roll over here. They say that if you've been part of Trust Quest and have been accumulating trust points, your progress does carry forward. Your points and achievements are recognized inside Trust Premium, meaning your efforts still counts towards your new tier and future rewards. As a one-time welcome offer as well, users with 1,000 plus trust points before October 31, so it's pretty much too late now, but it would have been supposedly automatically upgraded to gold tier at launch, and your total points will determine how long your gold status lasts, so anywhere from 14 days up to 3 months before normal premium cycles begin. So what you can unlock with the new XP over there, your XPs will soon become even more valuable. So it is redeemable for exclusive perks, in-app rewards, and more, used to join special campaigns or airdrops, and convert into Trust Premium's utilities as the ecosystem expands. So every action you take, like swapping, daily check-ins, deposits, and TWT locks, moves you closer to the next tier and builds long-term value inside your premium journey. But that is pretty much what's gonna happen to your points. It's gonna be transferred if you have to make it in time. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you. If you want more information, you can look at their officials in their FAQ. They do have lots of those. But if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.